Is that chewing gum on your mouth? Okay. Throw it away. You can't be poor and be chewing chewing gum. Ubo ya anata gum. I'm off here. Baby.
Yes, sugar.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Someone.
Yes.
Do you know why I like you?
Why do you like me?
You are always hot. Like in the morning, you are hot.
Yes.
In the afternoon, you are hot.
You can say that again.
At night, take an apple.
Oh my God! Come and give me some sugar.
Oh.
Yes.
You are hot.
Enough.
Hotty, baby. What are you looking at? Face the gate. Face the gate.
Who is the moron?
Orini. Oh, you're in the bus.
Orini.
And then the bus.
Every day one woman. Every day one woman. This is the 5th one. Eh? Wait, though. This my brother enjoy you. Is it that women is very easy for him to get, or that women are very cheap to get in this town? Unlike where I'm coming from, once you touch any woman, he will ask you, will you marry me? You see this town? I will make it in this town. I will make it. Ah.
Ofu, Ole. This one na original one. Hey, pure on colors, on colors, on cool colors, on Korea de ya. And who is that idiot that wants to bring down this my lovely gate?
Eh? Idiot! Your father idiot! Your father be idiot! Your forefather is idiot!
Madam, no verse. I don't know say na you. I don't know say na you.
You no say na me. You no go know now.
Madam, I was not expecting you now. I don't know say they come.
Okay, you are not expecting me. I was supposed to call you to tell you I'm coming to visit my son. Like, hello, get man. Hey, I am coming to see my son. Is that what you want?
No, my phone they off.
Your phone they off. Is that why you're touching me?
No, I not touch you.
Where is my son?
Your son.
Your son. Okay. Your son.
This boy is very foolish. Why are you looking for my son?
Sorry, ma. No verse.
What is smelling? Yeah, this boy. Are you smoking in my son's house?
No, not me. Smoke, no. Now, our neighbor where they do burial. So, now the dead body they smell.
Yeah?
Now the dead body.
You are completely foolish. This boy you have been smoking.
No. Now dead body they smell. No?
And that sound.
Which sound?
Where is it coming from?
Which sound?
Music now.
Which music?
Can't you hear music from the parlor?
No. Scorpion died for my ear. Scorpion died my ear. Chineke. Tangodo.
Ego Igbo. Onye we ego we sone. Ọkwano ego dị olu. Onye we ego we sone. Nwoke nọgodu mma. Onye we ego we sone. Nwa na-eme. Onye we ego we sone. Ijide kasha malugi. Ịpụta n'ọgbọ izoye mmemme. Without cash you are on your own. With money you go build empire. I follow men we don't build empire. Ego na-ekwu nwa kwugodo n'ọkụ. Ị na-eme anya ịghọta ife m na-akọ. Ego dị olu. Ọkwa onye nwe ego nwe sọne. Ego Igbo. Ọkwa onye nwe ego nwe sọne. Ego dị olu. Ọkwa onye nwe ego nwe sọne. Ọkwa ịma na ego amaka. Ọkwa onye nwe ego nwe sọne. Ego dị olu.
We're going to go, my mama will come. My mom see we're going to go. See later.
Okay,
So
baby.
I have the account now. You see, get it.
Hi.
Hello, you're all right. Continue some other time.
Hi, darling.
Don't worry. My mama, they fuck up. I go to the company, I say, call her for phone. Go say, my mama.
Now your mama now.
Now, I don't see one or two. This one now, 3 days preaching. I don't make you there.
Hey! Chidozie. So this is what you have been doing with the life Natasha Ibia.
Mom, why are you sounding as if I'm a baby? I'm an adult, so please stop. I'm not a baby.
Ezioku, you are not a baby, yet you are behaving like a baby. Can you imagine the number of irresponsible girls you have in that living room? Eh?
Mom, I am a successful young man. So throwing party once in a while shouldn't be a problem. Is it affecting my source of income?
Eh? It is affecting your source of income. Is it no money they were squandering in that living room? Or no break?
Whose money?
It doesn't matter. Let me tell you. These women are so dangerous. You don't play with fire.
Mommy, stop now.
It's not possible.
Oh, my you saw women not gone.
Hey, you don't understand what I'm saying. These girls are more dangerous than guns. I'm your mother, I'm talking to you. They are more dangerous than guns.
This conversation is becoming boring. Mommy, can you change topic?
Hey, I can't change
This is
the
why
topic.
you came. Next time, call me before visiting me so that I will do clean up. You don't visit a man like me unannounced. If you say one or two, you believe we will. Next time, call me before coming so that I will clean up my environment.
Hey, this boy. Anyway, that is not why I'm here. The reason I'm here is because of your brother, Arenze. Has he not stayed long in the village for you to come and take him to township?
Help Arinze. Mama, I've told you this times without number. Nothing good will come out of that man.
God forbid. God forbid. Not my first son. What do you mean nothing good will come out of him? Something good must come out of him.
And I'm Mwake Benanka.
Sometimes.
He did not go to school. For that reason, he cannot secure any job. He did not learn any trade. He cannot even bend down and learn anything under someone because of his age and how he looks. At the 45, and he looks like Orini, tolo tolo. So please, what do you want me to do?
Hey, these things you are saying now, have you forgotten that it's because of you that Arinze dropped from school?
Even if he goes to school, ubuleke. Even if Arinze goes to school anywhere, he will not do well in school. He has no brain.
All I know is that my son will amount to something bigger if you decide to help him. He's your brother. I don't know how you want to do it, but I know you can do it. Nyalini, I can help your brother now. Me, I'm tired of feeding an adult in my house. So.
That he's my brother or that he's my blood is not a license to my money. No. Am I the one that asked him not to be useful? No, all of us have the same 24 hours. He should go and make his own money and be useful. Is he not my other brother? He should be the one advising me, not the other way around.
You're not thinking well, oh. Chukwudozie, you're not thinking well, oh. Chukwudozie, you're working out on me. Chukwudozie, you're not thinking well. Because of you, go to in a village. Yeah, in a village. I'm tired of staying with an old man in my house. Come and take him. Go to work. Just help him.
Hey, Neno Mama, Asa, Umpolomam, Ugoboyibom. The most beautiful girl I have ever seen in my life.
Arinze, stop it. You always swell my head with your words.
But that's who you are. Yes, just look at you, Neno. Nigga, Asa. Yeah. Hey, okay. How was your night? I hope you slept very well.
Yes, I did. Good morning.
Good morning.
Did you sleep well too?
Sure, I slept like a baby. In fact, I just lay down and I moved, dreaming all through the night, thinking about you, seeing your beautiful face, to the point that I didn't even know when day broke. And I woke up with smiles on my face, thanking God Almighty for bringing such a beauty to me.
Enokwa. I love you so much, Arinze, and I will always love you.
I love you more than you can ever imagine. And I would never, ever, I'll be very stupid to think of leaving you. For what? I heard you brought cassava.
Yes, I brought
grinding.
cassava.
Oh, that's good.
So you grind it for me?
Mm-hmm. Let's go.
I want to make it.
Don't worry, I will sort it out for you.
You will? Thank you so much.
This your house is beautiful. Hey, flowers everywhere. But this one that is here, is it flower or the cocoa?
Mama, you ask many questions.
This one is flower. I'm sure this one flower. But you see that one, it looks like unku. Does it produce palm nut?
Mama, you ask unnecessary questions. It is not unku. Mba.
Look at it now.
Mama, I want to take you out, okay? I'll take you to somewhere cool so that you can look around, eat one or two, and I'll go buy you like one or two dresses, then we'll come back.
That's good to know. That gets man.
What gets man?
I like that. I like him. I don't like him.
Why?
C4 is on a Sibo.
No, he doesn't smoke, Mama. I know him.
I am telling you.
He doesn't smoke.
When your mother talks to you, you will know that is either she has seen something or has heard something. The other day I came here, I saw that boy. Immediately I came inside the gate, I saw him. He was behaving somehow and he was smelling everywhere. You have to be watchful over that boy. Be watchful of him. Honestly, yes, be careful with him. So where are you taking me? I don't want to know you. Oh, where you take me to where they're playing with the Ito.
Mama is not around.
No, she went to the city to see my younger brother to see.
Oh, the Panama?
I don't know. She refused to tell me, but she said she's coming back tomorrow.
Okay, I will try to see soup then.
How did you know that Mama's favorite soup is the goosey soup?
I know now. Come, let's go and do the corn.
Okay, fine. Let me go set the fire first, okay? By the way, you are sleeping over tonight.
Why? What's again? Can you imagine my mother? You want my mother to kill me?
See, she won't do you anything as long as you tell her that you're with me.
You?
Yes.
As who? My husband. Okay, my husband, you are yet to be.
Don't worry, very soon. They're going to be mad.
I can't. Oh yeah, let's go. I was the corn. I'm hungry.
Are you enjoying the food? Eh?
Did Samara prepare this?
Yes, sir. Ha! I told her that egusi is your favorite soup.
No.
So she said she will make you one better egusi.
Wow, Dikeh, she's a nice girl.
She's a nice girl, but she's trouble. I'll leave that to her.
Whether you call her trouble or not, she's a nice girl. Very nice girl.
Okay.
Anyway, I went to the city to see your brother. So we can talk about him coming to this village to take you out of here.
Take me out of here. Why?
Did you ask me that question now?
Yes, now. Why is he taking me out of the village? Did I complain?
Okay. Let me ask you my own question. What are you doing in this village? Are you not tired of staying in this village?
Mama, if I leave this village, who will take care of the house? Who will take care of you? Who will take care of my business? I have things I'm doing in this business keeping me here. Yes.
Okay, let me tell you something you don't know. Number one, I can take care of myself by myself. Number two, you don't have anything whatsoever to take care of in this village. Then number three, you see that thing you call business? I cannot even take care of you. Let alone the wife you're going to marry or the children. So you don't have any business in this village. Go to the town.
Okay, so if I live here, if I leave this village now, who will take care of Amarachi? I mean, who will I leave her for?
Okay. Hey, can't go nonsense. So it's because of Amarachi that you are in this village. Hey! Instead of you to go to the city and make it big like your younger brother, you are here following Amarachi up and down. Let's already why.
Mama, Grace located my brother in the city. The same Grace will locate me in the village. In a phone now, just a while ago, you are saying that girl is Boka or some mother. Oh, now you don't change.
I did not bring up this topic for argument or even for your contribution. Bottom line is that your brother will be coming back this weekend and we are going to need you way forward. You are already in the city. If you are not ashamed of yourself being in this village at this your age, I, Ginika, is ashamed of being in the village. You myself.
Mama, I am not ashamed. Why will I be ashamed?
A full-grown man like
I'm
you.
doing well.
Do you look at your size? People will not even remember your age. The only thing they will bother about is your size. Mama,
everybody have their own time. When my time comes, I will shine. This same mouth you haven't talked this thing. That time, you still use this same mouth to be saying, arrange them one.
Hey, I believe you, but you have to do it in the city, not here. Okay.
How old is he?
He should be 45 years now.
He's no longer a baby.
That's the point. He's no longer a baby, and I've been trying to explain to our mother that, look, this man is now old. What am I supposed to do for him?
Maybe you set him up on a trade.
Which trade? He knows nothing about business. He runs a cassava mill in the village. Is that one business?
Okay, maybe you bring him here to, let him run a trade under somebody.
Look at his size. Look at his age. He cannot bend down to learn anything under anybody. I know him now. We've tried that severally.
But what has he been doing in the village till he got to this age? And he's not educated.
As for education, he sacrificed his education for me. But he wasted the useful part of his life in the village, doing nothing. Now, okay, go. Chances of getting useful and becoming someone special at old age, on the rare.
But you still have to help him. He sacrificed his education for your own. You have to help him.
Help him how?
Just have to do something for him.
You can't even take him to someone and say, okay, learn a trade under this person. He's too big for that. He's making the help difficult. Because if I wrong.
Thank you so much for this soup. Help me at the one. You're a good cook. What? You're a good cook. Baby, now I'm chaka. People come and go back and say all of them.
I'm so happy you like the food.
I love you. I feel like very sweet.
Thank you, Mama. Mama, how was your journey to the city? I hope you had a sweet journey.
Yes. It was snowy. I saw my son Wednesday and we talked. Yes. I think they're not there. He's not at home now. There's something I want to talk about.
I hope he's here.
Yes. There's nothing. Is that why your relationship with her is?
My mother did what?
She said I should go ahead and get married. That it would take a long time before you'll be ready and prepared for marriage. She has intentions of sending you out of this village.
I mean, how could she? Why would my mother tell you this nonsense? I told her, like I made it clear to her, that I am not going to the city, and she chose to come to you. What kind of nonsense is that?
Calm down. She's only speaking from a place of concern and care. You and I know that you're not financially ready to take care of me and marry me. Marrying me means you have to take care of my needs. At least my basic needs.
That is why I said, you should give me some time. I will handle this, honey. I mean it. And then stop listening to my mother. I mean, what is she trying to prove? Why would she be telling you this rubbish?
She's only saying what she thinks is right. I'm already getting small pressure from my parents concerning you.
I know. And that's why I'm asking you to give me small time. Please. I'll handle these things. It's a small thing. It's just a matter of time. Oh?
Arinze, are you sure you don't need to go to the city to progress like your fellow men?
My mother is brainwashing you, right? Do you know how many people in this city that made it from this village? See, Rome was not built in a day. It's one step at a time. You don't know what God has in store for us. Yes. Okay, have you considered people that went to the city to look for that money and they came back empty-handed? Maybe my destiny is not there. Let's take these things one step at a time, please. Oh?
Arinze, Chukwu. Arinze. Arinze. Tell me about monkey. Arinze, your food is there and you have not touched it. And it's getting cold. Okay, I
am not hungry.
Huh?
Yes.
You're not hungry? Let me guess. Oh, is it because of what I told Amarachi?
Mama, why would you do that? No, why would you even tell Amarachi what you told her? I want to ask you, why do you derive so much joy in seeing me sad? Why do you like causing me pain? You know I love her so much.
Love,
you know, go be born.
Love, one thing. Love you never. Hey, get him up of the Hey. Your brother is coming back tomorrow. And you're going to follow him back to the city. Yeah, in our love, he in our love. You love China. You pack your bag to follow him to the city. And after you didn't do it. Did you hear me? You don't want to get it. Overboard.
They come. I see the hot. Sharp. No time. Hey. You just said this one, the original one.
No, for you. What are you saying? Eh? I don't ever say fake give you before.
Oh,
no, real now. Huh?
You just said this one come direct from Canada or Pakistan.
Guy, just the Jones me now. Now for you. This one I confirm direct from Canada now. Now for you.
Because you know since where you don't play this, I no trust you. This one where your eye they shine like
Guy,
like Barack Obama.
You no go smoke am. Go smoke this thing now.
Oh, yeah, give me lighter.
Not for you.
I see the hot.
Not for you. What's it happen? You say this one na Ojom. Confirm Ojom.
This one no dey Njinji.
Not for you. I no tell you.
Confirm. Confirm.
Drag am more.
Because you know my one, okay? My one. This one na confirm. If I lie, make thunder fire me. This one no re.
Thunder don't fire you already. My one. Drag more.
So if they bring this one, me and you no go to get issue. Me and you no go get issue at all.
I mean, drag am.
This one enter.
Drag am more. Pass am from your nose.
This one go make me Nkulu Jinjim. Odon Jinjim.
Why?
Hey, Nga.
I don't understand. Guy,
Nga.
calm down now. Don't shake me. Let's shake like real G. Not for you.
Bless the belly person for you. You bury anybody for you?
Huh?
You bury person for you?
No.
Bless up, my God don't die. My God don't die. Come sit down now. Sit down for floor.
They smoke.
Sit down for floor now.
Smoke now for you.
Okay. Hey. Because you don't sure say the bury person here. See, I'm the bury person. The bury people here. Here na bury a grant.
Smoke am well. Smoke am. Come out from your nose. Do am well.
I know they see my nose.
See your hand here. Drag am.
No. This thing, not my hand, it is not my hand.
Now your hand. Drag am. Make it come off from your nose. Smoke am.
I know they see my nose, though.
Now you
I know they see my nose. You they see my nose?
I see your nose.
See my nose. Now my nose.
You get pointed nose. Guy,
I be fine boy.
Now for you know now.
I know now.
Hey! Oh, one Go ahead.
Hey!
Yeah,
na Taraba State be this?
Yes, so.
No, we don't reach Taraba.
We don't reach.
Taraba no far. No, Taraba no far.
Guy, they smoke.
Hey. And for bed, I down. For bed.
Try smoke more.
This one, nemic foam. Nemic foam, go down like this. Nemic foam. Sit down for grand now.
Don't worry, I don't sit down.
Why you can't go heaven? Sit down for grand.
I dey earth, guy. Smoke now.
No be you with Abraham.
Why
see for heaven? Now you with Abraham, why see for heaven? See you for heaven. Hey. Where my pillow?
He dey here.
Wow.
He dey here. Drag one. The last one.
Not
Drag am now.
What is na my pillow be this o? Na my pillow be this. Make her lie down. Make her lie down. My lie down.
Yeah, lie down, lie down.
I know they see you for bed. Where you? Lie down for bed now. Where you?
Lie down, lie down.
Lie down for bed now.
Don't. I did there already. Come.
Where pillow? Where pillow? Where pillow?
Show the gate man don't pass out. Everywhere clear.
Honestly, I don't know how I'm going to tell him. And I don't know how he's going to react to it.
My dear, I understand you. I understand how you feel too. But you need to tell him. However, you need to tell him that you have no option than to marry the man that is asking for your hand in marriage. Eh? You do not want your parents to disown you.
No, I don't want that, no. It's just that it's going to really be difficult for him. You know Arinze very well.
Well, difficult tasks are for strong people. Arinze, my son, is a strong man. The only thing you need to do is talk to him. Afterwards, I will still talk to him. By the time all of us keep talking to him, he'll know how to snap out of pain. You know, he'll snap out of pain.
Mama, why are you doing this? Are you doing this because you want me to stay away from your son? So he can go to the city?
I don't know how to answer this question straight, but the only thing I want you to know is this. Whatever I am doing it for my son's good and for your own good too. Look at you. You are all beautiful and all grown for marriage. You cannot continue waiting for my son that is not totally ready for marriage. I mean, totally. He's not yet totally ready for marriage, just partially, not totally. He has to be totally ready for marriage before he gets married. Do you understand me? Get married.
Letus,
Okay.
you say you know the smoke.
Oh God, I know this smoke.
But I met you unconscious with cannabis by your side. Igbo, what does that mean?
Okay. I can explain. Okay.
Make it snap.
I beg.
Where is my car?
Okay, your car. Daddy. You know, sir, I dey buy smoke from Boma hand. They sell cheap rate. They sell cheaper rate. So, Daddy, I can't go buy for Bukas in hand. As I smoke the thing finish, the thing can't knock me down. I don't even know what I smoke. Whether na loud or cannabis. Cannabis, you go know that one.
It's very stupid. So you bought something that you don't know. You smoked it, slept off, and they moved my car. Officer, please move this idiot.
Officer, hand my required.
Shut up! Move!
Hand my diabetes, officer.
Get up.
Hand my required diabetes. Oga beg now.
Move in.
Oga beg.
Let's go.
Oga beg. Oga.
Shut.
Move.
Oga beg.
I said move.
Oga beg.
Move! Move in.
Mom.
Move! Move!
If I don't see my car, you're gone. Ini Edo.
This is unacceptable. How can he say that he didn't see when your car was taken?
I met the idiot lying down unconscious.
Maybe he has no hand in it.
But the problem is what he smokes. He was asleep when they took my car. My mother warned me about that boy, but I never listened.
Smoking is not the problem. But smoking to the point that he's being knocked down, to the point that they took your car without him knowing, is the problem. He has to pay for it. He has to.
What says he colos?
Oh, yeah, master.
I just hope they recover my car. The trackers are still on it. I just hope.
If they don't, he needs to pay for it. He just have to pay.
Tell me you are joking.
I'm sorry. I wish I was.
Amachi, you can't possibly be thinking about another man when you have me. I mean, not after all we've shared.
I'm sorry, Arinze. My parents are going to disown me. Is that what you want for me? You need to understand, please.
Amachi, please, okay. Give me to the end of the month. Let me work out something. Let me make some money, at least pay your bride price, Biko. Let me do the needful. Please, just give me small time, Biko, please.
Arinze, I'm sorry. I am.
Don't do this to me. I'm begging you. Don't do this to me. I'm begging you, please.
I wish it was in my hands, but you know it's not in my hands.
Amachi, please. Okay. You had this all planned out, right? Yes. That is why you refused to sleep with me. Because you were saving your body for another man.
Arinze, what are you saying? Arinze, I waited for you. I waited for you.
I'm asking you to give me small time. Just small time. Small time.
My parents will not allow that. I have tried. I've been waiting for you, Arinze, to make money and marry me. It's not my fault. I'm sorry.
Pico. I'm begging you, Pico. Don't do this to me. Don't be a boy, Pico, please. You just give me small time. Let me make money. I will do the needful. Pico.
I can no longer wait, Arinze. I'm sorry.
Pico.
You have to help me. I'm about to lose Amarachi.
Oh, I don't understand this beg, you know. What do you expect me to do this day?
The only reason Amarachi is getting married because I cannot afford to marry her.
Arin, I should borrow you some money for you to go and pay bride price and rest. Okay, I should help you so that our parents will come after me, okay? They will come after me and say that I'm the one having the job.
No, I'm not sure. Are you going to tell the parents? You don't have to tell her. I just need some money. Let me just secure her. Because if I'm able to make some money now, before the day that they give the other person that's coming to marry her, Amarachi is willing to leave that man for me. She loves me and you know it. Yes.
And you now give you money. You will just have one. They go by bread.
If you want to give me, I'll give you that.
Okay.
So it's solid.
Right. The problem is not me giving you the money. Neither is it you bringing me back. The problem is, if I give you money for that, who will give you money for that? Who will give you money for Ega Kamuwa? Who will give you money for baby we arrange? You want to borrow money to marry a girl. You don't know that when you marry a woman, there are so many other responsibilities that come after it. Money matter.
God will provide. Yes. I know what God does not do, does not do.
If you want me to give you money to go and pay bride price, if you are Amarachi, will you agree for a man to borrow money to marry you? Will you agree for a man to borrow money to marry you? I have told you. Go to the city and make money like your brother. If you make money, then you come back to talk about you getting married. I told you before that if you don't make money, that someone will make money and come and take Amarachi from you. It's happening now. Does it be Mego? I don't like this story. Micheal Pika.
Osondo, please. You know I've never asked you for anything before. I need your help. Please, I need you to assist me. Biko, I hope you can. Can you?
No, I don't have money.
You've not even heard how much I want to ask for. Okay, 100,000 naira is not much. Just give me, please. I promise you, by December I'll give you back.
I don't have.
Okay, give me 50. Just give me half of it, 50. Let me try and make it up somewhere else. Biko, I'm in a fix. Please.
My brother, if you say I have, I'll give you. You know that. I don't have.
Okay. Anything you can come up with. Let me try and hustle somewhere else and meet up. Please, I need to marry this girl. Biko, whatever you can give me, give me. I need to marry Amarachi. Biko.
So after marriage, what next? Will you still borrow money to feed her?
But I love her.
Oh, boy, the love before you. See, if Amarachi can't wait for you to make money, forget her, let her go. Huh? Leave Amarachi. Make money first. You don't pass this level now where you're talking. This level now, you don't pass her. Honestly, the truth, you don't pass the level. See, don't put yourself in a situation that you can never come out.
I don't want to lose her. I can't lose her.
I wish you can marry that girl, Amarachi.
Then help me.
But I don't know. Just let her go. If you really love that girl, Amarachi, let her go. Let her go so that she can marry the person that will take good care of her. Honestly.
Osondo.
Marriage is not do or die affair, brother. No marriage can survive without money. If you love Amarachi, leave her. Make she go marry the person who can take care of her very well.
Do you know I thought you were my friend?
And you are a very good one.
Oh, shut up your mouth, you very, very good girl. Very good words. You are an enemy of progress. Enemy of progress. Your guy came to you with this kind of situation, something natural maybe fair, and I'm begging you to assist me. You said you don't have money. You don't have money, Abi?
I don't have money.
You will never have money. No, see money. You can never ever have money in your life. And Wafia. You see that money? You will never get that money at all.
As if I be my God. I go marry Amarachi now. I go there. I go leave you come for this village. Go now. If me, I will carry money come back. Go marry the Amarachi.
The truth is that after interviewing the two guys you sent for me, those security men, I lost interest. Yes, they are not fit for what I want. They can't work with me.
Well, getting those serious ones these days are very difficult.
Even though we say my get man Jones, I need security. But no wahala. If you see another set of people, send them to me. But as per those two, no.
Okay, so
we can't work. My spirit like not accept them.
No wahala. Who is that?
My mom's here.
Answer her now.
No, I know why she's calling. I'll go see her later.
It means you'll be traveling.
Guy, later we'll talk for phone.
No wahala now. Okay now.
Without cash, you are on your own.
You are still raging. Eat your food, girl. I understand how you feel. And I mean well for you. God in heaven knows that I mean well for you. And I know that He will provide you with a more beautiful girl when you are financially ready. I'm people praying hard that very soon you'll be financially ready. You know, eat your food.
I think you're right. I love Amarachi so much. Honestly. Everything I have wished is to have us in my work. So it won't make sense if I'm married and I cannot be able to take care of her. As painful as it is, I have to let go. I have this prayer. I'm forced. But what can I do?
I think the best option you have now is to follow your brother to the city and but as well. This old man has said for English, the beautiful ones are not yet born. The more beautiful they are. What can you be able to provide for you can generate.
Baby, come in.
Who are you? I should be asking you that question. Who are you?
Young lady, I am asking you, who are you? You can't just barge into my house and expect me to be quiet. Who are you?
Your house?
Yes, my house.
Oh my goodness. Did you say your house? Oh, really? Your house?
Look, if you don't tell me who the hell are you, I am going to call police on you. Or better still, throw you outside the gate where you belong.
Throw me out? Hello, my name is Judy.
Yes?
You can't throw me out. And if there's anyone that should be thrown out of this house, it should be you for intruding in my man's house. For crying out loud, who the hell are you?
Seriously, your man's house?
Of course, my man's house.
Young lady, this is Dozie Ebonamu's house.
Of course. I know. This is his house. My man's house.
Your man's house.
How am I even exchanging words with you? Who the hell are you? Dozie!
Excuse me, young lady, excuse me.
Dozie!
Oh, so you're one of those bitches that want to take my man away from me.
Dozie!
Do you know how many years
I shouldn't be exchanging words with you. How dare you? If you touch me, come here.
Mama, do you remember Benji? Benji Okafor that was having a beer parlor at the market square.
Okay.
Benji Igboegwu.
Eh?
Mama,
Eh?
Benji controls 5 to 6 businesses in the city now. So I'm talking to you.
Business.
Ah!
Money.
Do you know the thing? All the money he used to establish this business was from this village that he made it. That's his restaurant at the village square. That's where he made all the money. Mama, why do you want to send me out of this village? If Benji Okafor can make it in this village, why can't I make it? Any Benji? Ordinary Benji?
Hey. Oh, it's because of these points now that you are telling me about Benji. There is something you are missing about this whole story you told me now. Benji Okafor has a brother that is in Germany. And is that his brother has been helping him with the business he's in this village. So, give me don't compare yourself with him.
Good, Mama, I have a brother in the city who also wants to help me with what I'm doing in this village. Allow him to help me. Mama, I go make him. I'm telling you, I will make it.
Help you do what exactly? Help you do Gary? To be grinding Gary for people is the business you're doing in the village that your brother will help you do. Okay, answer me. How many bags of Gary do they grind a day? How many people are there in your shop in a day? Is that how you want to be a wealthy man? You cannot be a wealthy man with that type of business. You need to leave this village, go to the city and make money.
Mama, I want to ask something. Why don't you believe in me? You believe you don't hear what name at all. Nothing good can come out of me. Why?
Arinze, I gave birth to you. You are my first son. And I believe so much in you, but not in this village. You need to leave this village, go to the city before you make money that will make you a wealthy man. You better tell me go. Mama, you cannot be going about in this village now.
Nobody believes that Benjo Kafo will make it in this village. Nobody believes though.
Go to the city and make money like others, like your brother especially.
So what? I will make him.
I'm watching. You better leave here. See what the village up, bro. See, and my one, but see the village. Leave this place from here. Go to visit and make money. Never na guy listen on all that program. You get money now. Take on this money now. Apa gari na baby.
Ego Ibo. Ego we sone. Okwano ego jolu. Ego we sone. Moke no godumma. Ego we sone. Mwana ego we sone. Chile kasha malugi. Iputano boy so ye meme without cash you are on your own. Ega maka. With money you go build empire.
Dozie? Eba Kibi. This is your house. Just look, see machine. Lexus, machine.
Hey. Yeah. Hanlele. This is not why you are here. Hanlele. How come now? Move now.
So, wait, so you live in this kind of house, not Afuna village? Not Afuna village, not Waka.
You're welcome. Listen. You can't make noise in this vicinity, okay? And always mind your business.
No problem.
Make yourself comfortable. Baby, what happened?
How dare you? How dare you lay your filthy hands on me? After all you have done? Rubbish.
Dozie, wait. Did you allow her to go? Who is this girl to give you a slap right before me? I don't call you for what?
Come back here. Learn to mind your business. I just said it now. Mind your business. Baby. Someone.
Well, can't get my name as you like this or make a baby next year. Really? Yeah.
I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry.
You are sorry. Then who the hell is she to have come in here and attacked me? No fear or respect at all.
She's just someone I met at the club. We are supposed to do business together. That's it.
Wait. Let me understand you. You're trying to tell me that you don't have any business with this lady that came here today?
Trust me, I have no business with her.
Please, can you just stop lying? Can you stop it already? I know that you have been cheating on me with all those bitches, but I needed to confirm it first.
Trust me, it's not what you think, okay? It's not what you think. We are supposed to do a business together. That's it. Trust me.
Dozie, I know you very well. Okay, if you say that you don't have anything to do with her, bring out your phone. Bring it out. I want you to delete her number and block her.
Is that necessary?
Yes, it is necessary if you still want me to love and trust you again. It is.
Arinze, there is no job vacancy around here.
Okay.
But my wife suggested something and I like what she said. You will start working as our gate man.
Yeah?
Yes, it's for the meantime. And that's the only space we have around here.
Wait, did you tell her who I am to you?
Of course. She knows you are my other brother. But being my other brother does not give you license to my money now or to luxury automatic. You will work as our gate man so that you can be earning salary monthly. I can be giving you, okay, take this because you need to be useful around here. No.
So, if I am her elder brother, will she allow me to be a gate man in her own house?
Listen, you cannot sit down in my house and be questioning my woman. No. It's highly unacceptable. You don't have such right. We're helping you. You are adding pride. Eh? You don't have money. Look at the space you are taking. Listen, the only space we have here is that gate. Be my gate man. If you're angry or if you don't like it, get your own house now. Make your own money. Don't even give me. Enjoy. When we come begging in your house or seeking for favor, you can now be asking us questions. You can't sit on my couch and be questioning my wife. No. Stop that, huh? Oh, you want such right.
Baby, it's okay. Maybe you didn't understand him very well. He said for the meantime.
I'm talking with my younger brother. I'm talking to my brother.
You can't talk to my woman like that. Medinage, don't do that. So work as our gate man or go back to the village. Please.
Oh, baby, let me go and cook for him.
Don't say that. As what? Are you his chef? Relax. My friend, if you want to cook, there is a stove there. Cook there, eat there, and have fun. You are the new gate man, so enjoy. Okay? And stop looking at me as if I'm doing something wrong. What's your problem? Baby, let's go upstairs, okay?
Okay, my love.
Also, Dikeh, you can't be in my house and be wearing that cap. Mba. Mandiko knew here, but you will remove it, okay? In fact, I will get you uniform as a gate man. No, thank you. Doing this. Baby, let's go.
Without cash, you are on your own. Without cash, you are on your own.
I came to my own brother's house. I mean, my younger brother. And right in front of his woman, he asked me to go and make food for myself. Even when the woman opted to give me food. Oh, hear this. I have not seen this kind of insult in my life. Where is it done? To make the matters worse, he even said I will be a gate man. In my brother's house.
Remember the sacrifice. It's not a way to pay it back.
Wait, is it only onions I will eat?
Is that chewing gum on your mouth? Okay. Throw it away. You can't be palm between chewing gum. Oboy and atagon. I'm off here. Baby.
Yes, sugar.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Someone.
Yes.
Do you know why I like you?
Why do you like me?
You are always hot. Like in the morning, you are hot.
Yes.
In the afternoon, you are hot.
You can say that again.
At night, take an apple.
Oh my God! Come and give me some sugar.
Oh.
Yes.
You are hot.
Enough.
Hotty, baby. What are you looking at? Face the gate. Face the gate.
Who is the moron?
Orini. Oh, yeah,
Orini.
Every day one woman. Every day one woman. This is the 5th one. Eh? Wait, though. This is my brother they enjoy you. Is it that women is very easy for him to get? Or that women are very cheap to get in this town? Unlike where I'm coming from, once you touch any woman, he will ask you, will you marry me? I see this town. I will make it in this town. I will make it. Ah, I can carry woman. In the hot. Woman rapper.
Ego Igbo. Ego Diolu. Okwe manega amaka. Ego Diolu. Ego Igbo. Ijide kasha malugi. Iputano boys oye meme. Without cash you are on your own.
What kept you? Kneel down. Go down. Idiot. Orini. Are you okay? Oh, so don't mind that idiot.
Every day one new girl. Every day one new girl. Yeah? And you are so mean now one nigga here now una konji. You go. See, one of you, all these girls, one of you enter my trap. If I catch any girl, yeah, in my way I won't call you. You walk. I must get one person. Just one person.
Okwe manega amaka. Ego Diolu. Ego Igbo. Ijide kasha malugi. Iputano boys oye meme. Without cash you are on your own. Ega amaka. Ijide kasha.
I'm traveling. Orin me. But they're good. Every minute you're sleeping. I will not be sleeping sick. Alright, take care. Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thanks for coming.
Okay?
Huh?
Sorry. You get what?
Go back. It's already I'm no.
Sorry, sir.
You can talk from there.
There's something I wanted to tell you. When I leave at the cut me since. Please. My brother. See, have you seen the way you they carry women? You don't even consider your brother where they get. Even if not one of them, just give me. At least let them be warming my bed at night.
This is the reason you are poor. Yes. What have I not done for you? I started a business for you, you finished the money. I know what Mama begged me to keep you here so that you will stop wasting in the village. Now I kept you here and you're asking me to borrow you a girl. You want a woman, eh? Each one why? If you want a woman, make money, build a house, call your own gate man. Are you getting me? Then start enjoying life. You can't be here and telling me to give you a woman. The next time you say something like this, I will kick you back to the village. I'm not sure. You want woman. Go to Chabo. You go to the blocks.
Only go this level. Chineke mekwara ya ebere ko fuchata ke yare ne ya. No, let one come when not around. Man, you were rape, eh? You were rape. How can I be here? You just chop all the girls alone. Stingy human being, not even one, I cannot relieve one. Even if not the ugliest one.
baby. You know what? Just relax. I will go by myself and get the condom. You don't have to worry.
No, you're my visitor.
Wait, na condom?
Yes.
Hey, that chemist woman said this, you know. Do you know the woman told me it's condom that is used for sex? I said no. How can my junior brother send me to, my oga send me to go and buy condom? No, now. Hi. Okay, but you make mistake. If you tell me say I go circle or maybe kiss, that do my now. I would have. Sorry. Now that I know, let me go and buy it.
Oh my